Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix issues with opening JPG files or any image files on Windows 10. Let's dive right into the solution. First, right-click on the image you want to open and choose the Open With option. Here you'll see various applications that can open the image file. For example, I'll select Paint, which can also open your image files. If you're still having trouble or can't open the JPG file, try the next method. Click on the Windows icon, go to Settings, then click on Apps. On the left, click Default Apps. Scroll down and select Choose Default Apps by file type. Scroll down to find the JPEG and JPG extensions. Make sure they are set to open with your Photos app. If they're not, simply change the default to Photos. This will set the default application for opening your image files. If you're still facing the issue, go back to Apps and Features and search for the Photos app. Once found, click on it and select Advanced Options. First, click Terminate to stop the app. Then choose Repair. This will try to fix the application. If that doesn't work, you can reset the app by clicking Reset. It may take a few seconds, but this will restore the Photos app to its default settings. That's it. Now close the window and check if the issue is resolved. And there you go. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.